here. Well, it's officially raining, and we just had our first warning about thunderstorms, flash flooding, and all the good stuff. So hopefully we won't get too flooded out, but work, there's water coming into work, there's water coming under my house. I had to drive through a little bit of water getting here, but nothing major. A couple of streets are blocked. The Bowley River's now underwater, so there's a one-lane ridge in the town. We just found out on the radio there's been an accident as well, so chaos and mayhem on the highway. Yeah. But anyway, guys, whoever's in towns will drive safe, please. We don't need any more accidents. I'm assuming it wasn't anything too major. Being wet weather, it's probably just a bit slippery. So yeah, everybody take care, drive safe and play safe. Bye guys.